Hey skincare lovers, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys this amazing treatment and lightening lotion that you can use to get rid of white patches, skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, brown spots on your skin, guys. Okay, so this lotion is very effective and it's very affordable, so you can afford it. It's budget friendly. Okay, but before that, if today is your first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification. Okay, and if you're a returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. God bless you. So back to today's video. So like I said, this lotion is very effective, tested and trusted. It's not my product. I'm just making reviews, like sharing ideas of lotion you can use to get rid of. So the lotion I'm talking about is Miracle Derm. Miracle Derm product is basically for treatment. They have tube and they have the lotion. I think they have soap, but the one I'm very sure about is the lotion and the tube. And the tube, if you're a skincare formulator, you know about the tube because it's used to prevent eczema, redness, discoloration and all that. Okay, if you're making a whitening lotion or you're making a treatment lotion, you don't want the whitening lotion to react on your skin, you add the tube. Okay, there's other good tube out there, but I'm just saying I use it a lot. If you do watch my videos, you must have seen where I used it to make production. I have seen someone that is using it and it's working very perfect on the person. But if you want to use this lotion, maybe you want to achieve 3 shade 4 shade lighter, the lotion is not for you. Okay, it's not a whitening lotion, but while using this to treat your skin, it's not going to make you darker, it's not going to darken your skin more. Okay, it's going to lighten up your skin. That is what I mean by lightening up the skin, not like giving you 2 shade. It's not going to give you anything like a 3 shade 4 shade lighter. Okay, if you want to get something like that, go and look for glutathione, collagen and kojic products to get that result. But when it comes to Miracle Derm, is for treatment. Okay, so this lotion helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, skin discoloration, white patches. Have you been trying to get rid of those white patches? I know how annoying white patches can be. Like if you want to treat white patches, I have treated white patches before when I used a product that damaged my skin. I have white patches and I treat and I've not seen any skin reaction that is very annoying, very stubborn to go, like white patches. Another one is stretch mark. But you see that white patches, you might use a product that, hey, this product is good, everybody is recommending the product to you, and when you use it, it will increase the white patches or it will even make that place lighter. You understand? So while treating white patch, you just have to, make research, be sure of the product before using it if you don't want to increase the problem. So like you guys know me, if you have been trying my reviews, you know that yes, every reviews I give here, I'm not perfect, but every reviews I make here, I am sure about the product, be the one I produce, be the one I recommend for you to go and get, like reviews. I am very sure about it. Not 100% because I'm not the one that make it. I don't know what they use to make it. It's true they list some of the ingredients they use, but that is not all. You understand? So the little I know, I share with you guys out of experience. And the easy way for you to get the best result out from this, the fast result, is what? For you to focus on treatment product. Some of you are not patient. You just want to whitening up your skin in all means. Like you don't even want to be patient to get rid of those things on your skin, the stretch mark, before you start looking for whitening. Some people will be like, I just need a treatment lotion, then whitening oil, whitening soap, so I will not get that. See, let me tell you, sometimes if you want to treat your skin and be very sure that you have treated those things and those things are no longer in your skin, you just have to focus on those treatment things, those treatment soap, oil, scrub, everything treatment for you to get the best result. Okay, sometimes if you are using a treatment lotion, then whitening oil, whitening scrub, you're not going to get the best result. Instead, to be increasing it. For the fact you want to treat white patches, you want to treat stretch mark, definitely you're going to get darker. As example, if you're a 2 shade, you're going to get down to 1 shade. You understand? So you have to accept that. Okay, so you using this lotion, the only way for you to get the best result. So I'm going to tell you what you can mix inside to make it more effective, so it won't darken you that much, but not like it's going to whiten you. Okay, but it's not going to darken your skin. Do you understand? So getting this lotion, make sure you are getting a scrub, treatment scrub, not a whitening scrub, treatment scrub. Then get a treatment soap. These 3 things are good to go. You don't need to buy lotion or the full kit, just 3 of them. And some of you don't know how to use them. That is why you don't get the best results. If you want to treat your skin, stretch mark, white patches, get a coffee scrub. Get a coffee scrub. Okay, it can be salt, it can be sugar, let it be coffee. Coffee helps a lot. Get a product that contains coffee. And if you do react in every product, maybe your skin, you don't understand the skin, when you get it, add rescue oil and miracle powder into it before using them. Allow it to stay on your skin for at least 10 minutes. Some people will be like, I don't have that time to wait for 3 minutes, not talk of 10 minutes or 5 minutes. You're wasting your money, because that product, it might work, but not how it's supposed to work. Okay, you just gonna be tackling the innocent person that sold the item to you, that you're selling fake. Before you know it, all these bad belly people will start announcing it, tagging you. So for you to get the best result, add from scrub, soap, allow it to stay on your skin. Is it for whitening? Is it for treatment? Allow it to stay on your skin, massage it very well. The more it stays, the more you see the best result out from it. Then if you have a very stubborn skin, like those white patches have been here, you have tried a whole lot of things, it's not working, those white patches, you are tired of it, the stretch mark, you're tired of it, then add a pinch of miracle powder into it. I know most of you will be like, why is it every time miracle powder, miracle powder? This is what I'm using. I cannot make a product without miracle powder. This is what I'm using. You understand? And it's working for me, and I try to share it with you guys. And if you don't want to take it, good and fine, but miracle powder works a lot. Like, it's very, very effective. Then another effective treatment product is what? Rescue oil. You see that rescue oil? Rescue oil on its own can get rid of that white patches on your skin. Rescue oil on its own can get rid of white patches and recovering oil. You understand? These 2 products is very, very effective. So you can add that, a pinch of miracle powder into that miracle derm lotion. Rescue oil, it has the smallest one. You can use 10 ml out from it and use it, or half of it. Use it to mix the lotion. You can just pour it inside, but because of that miracle powder, I would advise you put it inside something. You bring it out inside something that you can, use a spatula to mix it together, because of that miracle powder. You understand? Only if you dissolve that miracle powder with rose water, not ordinary water. Okay, just rose water. You just add a drop of it inside that lotion, then the oil inside the lotion, mix it together and use this every night. Okay, if it's stretch mark, you can concentrate on the affected area. The reason why they do say concentrate on the affected area is that, as an example, you want to treat white patches. So if you apply those things on your skin, it might make order of your skin more lighter than the affected area. But when you concentrate on the affected area, get rid of the issue, then you start applying it on all over your body. In that way, you won't have anything like skin discoloration. So use the lotion only at night. In the morning, you can decide to use the remaining rescue oil all over your body, even your face. It helps a lot to treat those things on your face. The goal is to get a healthy skin. Okay, every time it's not whitening. One day we all are going to grow old, and in that old age, you will see what you have done to yourself. Okay, so please, every time it's not whitening, if you are just 1 shade, and if you are not up to 1 shade self, and your skin is glowing, you are better than someone that is 100 shade or between 20 shade, and the skin is just so irritating and like white patches, stretch marks everywhere. So see you guys on my next video. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, share this video, and smash the like button.